Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show step by step how you can factory reset a OnePlus Nord 3. So to do that, it's pretty simple and easy. What you want to do is scroll down, like swipe down, then go top right to settings. When you're going to be here, you want to scroll down below, and then you're going to have additional settings right here. Then you want to scroll down below, and then you're going to find backup and reset right here. When you're going to click here you're going to find a reset phone, and then erase all data. Erase all data, yes. And then you just wait until it's going to get restarted. Now, if this video helped you, definitely write down below in the comments that it was helpful, so when the other people to come here, they would know that, okay, this video is legit. Thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye. And you can see right here.